Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're on a FaceTime call and ready to show photos now. First, confirm both of you are signed into Apple ID and FaceTime is enabled. Once connected, switch to your Photos app without leaving the call view. The audio stays active. Tap the Share Play or Share icon at the top, or use the Share menu inside Photos to start a Share Play session. This makes your pictures visible to everyone and keeps playback synced, so you control the pace for all participants. Now select the images you want to show. Pick an album or tap multiple photos to cue them. Once you start sharing, use Play to auto-advance through the selection or swipe to move manually. Either action updates what everyone sees. You control playback. Use the pause button if you want to explain a photo in detail, then resume when ready. If someone else needs control, grant temporary co-control so they can advance slides. This keeps the experience collaborative and prevents accidental skipping. To wrap up, tap Stop Sharing or end the Share Play session, then return to the FaceTime view and finish the call as usual. If viewers want to keep images, send copies via messages, AirDrop, or save directly from the shared view. If sharing fails, first make sure FaceTime is signed in, Share Play is enabled in settings, and both devices run a recent iOS version. Then check Wi-Fi or restart the app. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.